This week's progress has included working on my plant manager and having the plants implement correctly. So I've created two different scriptable objects in which I have seeds separate from the produce type. That way it's a little bit easier to track in the backpack, which I'm still working on. If we go into our plant manager, we can see I've edited a couple things here as well. I've removed the growth cycles from here and have them specifically tracking in the seeds instead. And that's where I'm running into a couple issues. I have both prefabs for mature final growth stages under both of my scriptable objects, so I'm working on kind of tweaking that and getting it to implement correctly with the backpack when you click on them. But if we hit play here, we can see what that looks like. I've changed the bed types just to a generic blank one, so none of the colors are correlated with each other. If we go into our inventory, I have these generic shapes right now representing the seed types. We can click on one and then plant that wherever we want in a bed, and then we can also click on a different type and plant that, and then move forward with the watering stages. So we can see here it went ahead and skipped for some reason. That should go into a middle stage. So that's where some of the issues I am trying to work on are coming out. Ideally, as I implemented earlier, I should be able to click on these and then they should add into the backpack. So that's kind of the last step I have with these planters right now, and then after that I can work on kind of organizing this how I want to on this side of things, getting a little UI set up so you can see how many days they've been planted, when they need to be watered, and then how many days does it take to reach final growth. And then from there I can work on the other scenes with the shop and then the main home screen as well. This is kind of the biggest mechanism, so I want to get this fleshed out before I move forward with anything else. So hopefully I can get that done this week, and then next week can be about fixing those other stages.